Hi guys, welcome to my channel, MateABC English, and today we're going to teach you the last 3 properties of the real numbers. So let's get started. So for that, we need to call the set of all real numbers such that those are greater than 0. So for that, we call this set P of positive. So the 10th property, it says that for every real, we can put it on 3 different cases. The first one is that a equals to 0. The second one is that a is greater than 0 or that a is in that set P. The third property, it says that minus a is on that set or that minus a is greater than 0. So this property also is called Trichotomy Law. The following property, it is the causal property of addition, or in other words, that given 2 real numbers or 2 elements from this set P, so then a plus b is also in this set. So the next one, it says the causal property of multiplication. So it consists of given 2 elements that belongs to this set. It is that a times b also it is on this set. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, MateABC English. Bye!